Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, thinking that I want to make a swipe with a smear with Bloom cell activator. And I want to start with some of the Anita's White Metallic and go on with the Cobalt Blue, which is a metallic turquoise from Folk Art. Use some of my favorite. Did I ever find that? Oh dear. Well, I do have around here somewhere some Artist Loft Amethyst. That is some Venetian blue. This is maybe some amethyst. I'm not 100% on this, but it is purple and it is metallic. And my canvas is wet with Meeden paint. And I'm going to use the color shifting purple from Folk Art. It looks like I'm about to have to mix up a bunch of different paints. I'm going to sneak in a little bit of Hot Orchid. These are my favorite go-to colors. Oh, and I'm not getting anything much out of there anymore. Come out. Long stringy thing. Look at that. And I am going to add some of my DecoArt's Americana 24 karat gold, even though it's sounding kind of like it doesn't want to come out right now. And I'm hoping that I can tip this somewhat. You know what? I have a lighter purple that's probably, I call it lilac. And I think it's just going to work to my benefit if I use it as far as spreading paint goes. So I'm going to use it as a tool. And since I have it right here is some very lightened up, probably Anita's White Metallic with some Venetian blue in it. It's a good safe bet. Now, I want to take the tool or tools. I want a bigger tool than that. There it is. I'll take that. I'm going to use both some white cell activator. That's Amsterdam white. And some black cell activator. Both added to Floetrol, Aussie Floetrol. I'm going to tip that over my scrape dish so that if I lose any, it won't be wasted entirely. It's looking like it needs to have some fluids added to it because it's for some reason getting thick. But there's a start. Nice big cells in the center. I want to wipe that off. I forgot to dampen my studio rag. It's wet now, so that'll work. I'm going to have to do something about those, I think. Maybe not right this second, though. I'm going to use purple. I'm going to make sure there's no water on that. There we go. Spread it out. I'm going to use half purple, dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby, which is Master's Touch, and half Amsterdam black, both on top of the white. That's a lot of paint. And I don't mind that. I'm not so sure about these. I should just be willing to leave those alone, honestly. But I think what I'm going to do right now is grab a little bit of the Meeden black paint and see if I can't camouflage it. Okay, so now I have enough paint in my scrape dish so that if I want to add some, I can just do that. And that will work. And there's some, let go, it's creating a section. I kind of wanted to tip this, but I'm not feeling as much like doing it as I was. I'm wondering if I can blow some of it out without getting paint. That's kind of cool because I've got other colors hiding under there. I kind of want something over here. And maybe over there too. Instead of the white metallic, let's use the slightly pink metallic. Some of that mica powder. A little dioxazine purple. Some of that blue. Some of that turquoise. And some of that gold. I want a little tiny splash of color in there. Because I can, and I might go ahead and go further with that. I think what I'm going to do is grab the 2 cell activators. Yeah, I like the purple and the black together. That's pretty cool. Let's try it with the purple and the white and the black together. All 3 at once. Okay, I kind of like that orange down there. I'm dumping bottles all over the place. So, do I want to do anything else? I kind of do. That didn't bother me. I kind of like it. What else? Something over here? Something up here? Nothing else? Not feeling anything is imperative. Kind of like what I've got. But I also want to continue. Whether that's good or not, I'm not sure. There's the white metallic again. Just going to sneak in a little bit of this Sargent's yellow that has orange in it. Some of that mica powder. I'm not sure what it's called. It used to be right on my Amazon link. That's a little neon pink. And I want gold again. Actually, I want some darker orange also. So let's just do that. And I really don't want to do this without gold. And while we're in there, let's put something dark and dramatic. I'm going to go black, white, black. Neat. I'm going to steal some of that paint. Let that mark go right over the side. This is bugging me here. I think that needs to change. I think a little bit more of everything. That orange is a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch orange. I'm going to grab some Prussian blue, which I have not used before, and hit it with the gold. Wipe off my little tool. Do the very same thing I just did. Do I have enough orange? No. A little more won't hurt anything. So I'm doing the black on either side and the white in the center. And I'm liking that. It looks like some kind of beanstalk. Looks like I could put something curly in here. So I'm going to do that. Because I have a hard time not resisting. Just keep using all the colors I like. I hate to have to make more of this color, but I am going to definitely have to. So I want some to go down and some to go up. And I'm going to keep doing the same thing that's working because I like the result, which is that Oreo filling cell activator. I want my scrape dish because I'm going right down there in a second. I think I'm going to top up one more cell activator time. Grab my scrape dish so whatever comes off goes right in there. And I kind of like that. Great cells. I'm wondering if I've got some cell activators stashed around here. There we go. Let's move my bottles out of the way, give you guys a peek, see if there's any paint in my scrape dish I might want to use somewhere. Of course there is. I really have no reason why I shouldn't use it. I love this little tool for the edge of the canvas. I was going to blow into that. Maybe I shouldn't. I think I will anyway. Okay, so I love you guys. Please check out some of my 2200 videos. I don't know what that is. It's like either paint flake or some of the heavy texture on this canvas. A lot of these canvases that are inexpensive from Michaels have had problems with grit in the finish. So be aware if you invest in inexpensive canvases that you may get inexpensive canvases. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out my playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Look for the monthly drawing prizes included on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video in the last 20 seconds. If you happen to be somebody who uses the PayPal donation availability on my YouTube channel banner, bottom right hand corner, or on the link tree underneath the video, you'll be automatically entered. If you have questions, please ask me. If you need my paint pouring recipes, they are under Show More underneath the video. I love this. I don't know what's going on here, but I think it's cool. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for joining me. Look on my community board for tomorrow's video. Look on Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for other students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More for a Shop Now button will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, which can also be found on the link tree, which is the first or second, usually the second blue link lately, because I make a tools video for the acetate and bamboo skewer with clear waterproof duct tape tools. Put that under the video. If you don't see it, remind me and I'll add it. My 2 books are on the Amazon link that's on the link tree. I have volumes 1 and 2 because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Very much. Thank you for keeping me inspired and coming back. Thank you for all of the kind words and comments that help me out. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my website are all on the link tree. Spring clothing below the video is Oliver Print leggings and Oliver Print t-shirts. The Gallerist link on the top of the link tree is investment quality clothing made in Montreal with Oliver Print dresses and Oliver Print kimono tops and more, and definitely worth seeing. My email address is below the link tree. Should you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, just make a note of the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video, or the time you saw it and the date of the exhibition video on the exhibition video playlist. If you need anything, like information about taking a private class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, just use the email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I know I post 7 days a week, and sometimes I even remember to zoom in, but not always. I love the colors in this. This was a ball. Great colors. I just intuited it. Great shapes too. Reminds me of the beanstalk and Jack and the Beanstalk or something. Rainbow beanstalk. Cool. All right. I will see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery again, saying I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming. Come back again soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.